Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers the diagnostic trouble code DTC P0651, which indicates a malfunction in the sensor reference voltage 2 circuit on the 2023 Honda Accord. This error signals that the power supply for one of the vehicle's sensors is outside a specified range, as determined by the Transmission Control Module (TCM). The TCM acts as the brain for the vehicle's transmission system, managing several vital functions. Understanding the components involved is crucial for effective troubleshooting. The TCM relies on accurate sensor readings, and when it detects an abnormal voltage level from the sensors, it flags the error code P0651, storing it for further inspection. In this guide, we'll explore the affected components, potential causes, symptoms, and the step-by-step troubleshooting process necessary for resolving this issue. DTC P051 signifies a malfunction in the sensor reference voltage 2 circuit. This disrupts the operation of the Transmission Control Module, or TCM, which is essential for regulating transmission processes. The power supplies involved, VCC2 and VCC3, provide voltage to various sensors, including the CVT speed sensor and the torque converter turbine speed sensor. Both of these components are vital for relaying speed and torque data back to the TCM for optimal performance. Typically, the TCM is located in the engine bay, often near the transmission assembly. If there's a fault in the power supply or its connection, the sensors cannot operate correctly, leading to faulty readings and the triggering of this DTC. Several underlying issues could trigger DTC P0651. One common cause is a shorted wire within the sensor reference voltage 2 circuit, which can cause erroneous readings and improper sensor functionality. This short circuit could occur anywhere in the wiring harness, often resulting from wear, damage, or environmental factors. Another possible cause is a faulty transmission control module itself, which may malfunction and incorrectly interpret sensor data. Additionally, connection issues at the VCC2 and VCC3 terminals may arise, such as corrosion or a loose connector, further complicating proper sensor function. Understanding these potential causes is vital for a targeted troubleshooting approach. The symptoms associated with DTC P0651 can manifest in several ways. One of the most notable signs is erratic behavior of the vehicle's transmission, which may include harsh shifting or slipping. Drivers may also notice warning lights on the dashboard, signaling to the operator that there is a malfunction within the system. Additionally, the vehicle could exhibit unusual engine performance, such as reduced power output or increased fuel consumption, primarily due to the compromised data being transmitted to the TCM. Being aware of these symptoms can assist in identifying the issue early and resolving it before leading to more significant complications. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0651 is to turn the vehicle into the on mode. This allows the system to power up without starting the engine, providing a clear environment for initial checks. Following this, inspecting the VCC2 and VCC3 power supply lines is essential. These lines are critical as they deliver voltage to sensors that aid the TCM in functioning effectively. Use a multimeter to check for proper voltage levels and ensure that neither line is shorted to power or ground, which could indicate a break in the circuit. This preliminary step sets the foundation for more in-depth inspections, ensuring that any visible faults are addressed early in the diagnostics. In the second troubleshooting step, begin by inspecting the TCM connector, which has a 50-pin layout, ensuring all connections are intact and free from corrosion. Before disconnecting this connector, use the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, to jump the SCS or Service Check Signal line. This very important preliminary task is designed to prevent any electrical surges that may occur during disconnection. Wait for more than 1 minute after jumping the SCS to allow for the system to stabilize. This step is critical for ensuring that you are diagnosing the issue without introducing additional variables, making the following tests more reliable and accurate. The third troubleshooting step involves disconnecting specific sensors to further ascertain the integrity of the circuit. Both the CVT speed sensor and the torque converter turbine speed sensor should be disconnected. This allows for a focused inspection of the individual circuits associated with your targeted issue. After disconnection, check the wiring for any visible signs of damage, such as frayed wires or melt areas that might indicate short circuits. Additionally, use your multimeter to check for shorted connections, ensuring that the circuit is not inadvertently grounded or linked incorrectly. This attention to detail is crucial to pinpoint the failure within the system. In the fourth step, begin reconnecting the previously disconnected sensors one at a time, closely monitoring the system. After each reconnection, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. This method provides real-time feedback about the health of the circuit in question. Each reconnect should be followed by a diagnostic scan to track whether the DTC P0651 appears again. This systematic reevaluation allows for the identification of any defective components that may be causing the error. It is crucial to note any changes in system behavior during this process, as these insights can guide further troubleshooting or repairs needed. The final step involves verification to ensure that all repairs have been effective. Begin this verification process by confirming the absence of DTC P0651 using the HDS after completing the repair efforts. This step ensures that the system no longer recognizes any faults related to the circuit malfunction. Following this, conduct a test drive of the vehicle under various conditions to validate the effectiveness of the repair. Monitor for any erratic transmission behavior or warning lights during the drive. It's paramount to ensure that not only does the DTC stay cleared, but also that the vehicle operates as expected, confirming a successful repair. Preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the chances of encountering DTC P0651 in the future. Regular inspections of critical components, such as the TCM and associated sensors, can help identify early signs of wear or impending failure, thus allowing for proactive measures. Checking connectors for signs of corrosion or loose connections can prevent circuit interruptions that may trigger this DTC. Furthermore, maintaining the wiring harness free from wear and keeping it securely fastened will minimize the chances of accidental damage. Proactively addressing potential issues before they escalate into larger problems helps maintain vehicle reliability and efficiency. In conclusion, DTC P0651 indicates a fault in the sensor reference voltage 2 circuit, primarily affecting the transmission control module's ability to receive proper sensor data. Understanding the various components involved, such as the TCM, CVT speed sensor, and torque converter turbine speed sensor, is crucial for effective diagnosis and repair. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach enables technicians to pinpoint the issue accurately and resolve it efficiently. Additionally, implementing regular preventive maintenance can greatly reduce the risk of similar issues arising in the future. As always, ensuring all connections are intact and verifying the health of the wiring and connectors can contribute significantly to ongoing vehicle performance and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.